Hello everyone, our today's topic is cell, its structure and function. The cell was first discovered by Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke observed slices of cork under a simple magnifying glass. He partitioned boxes or compartments in the cork slice, and the cork slice looks like a honeycomb. And Robert Hooke coined the term cell for each box. Cell is the basic structural or fundamental unit of life. For example, raw material like bricks is the fundamental unit of big building, same as the cell is the structural and fundamental unit of life. So next is number of cell. Human body has a trillion of cells. Organism made up of more than one cell, it is called multicellular organism. Example, human beings. Organism made up of one cell called a unicellular organism. Example, amoeba, paramecium. Beside amoeba in our body, WBC is unicellular, which perform its function through a single cell. Now let us talk about different parts of the cell. There are three parts of the cell. First one is cell membrane, second one is cytoplasm, and third one is nucleus. So we'll discuss one by one. So first of all we'll discuss about cell membrane. So this is the picture of cell membrane. Cell membrane is a permeable membrane. It allows certain materials, water and oxygen, and also it removes toxic materials, carbon dioxide and waste products. Next one is cytoplasm. So this is the diagram of a cytoplasm you are seeing in this picture. So cytoplasm is a thick jelly-like structure. It provides shape to the cell. Cellular reactions, protein formations, mitosis, meiosis are all occur in the cytoplasm. Important organelles are present in the cytoplasm are mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, lysosome and Golgi bodies. So we'll discuss one by one. Before that, let us talk about nucleus. So nucleus is spherical in shape. It contains DNA. DNA is a booklet of information. It is the control center of a cell. Otherwise, it is called as a king of the cell. It controls all the activities occurring within the cell. For example, how cell develop, it grows, reproduce, etc. Nucleus contains nucleolus. It forms ribosomal RNA ribosomes. The newly formed rRNA are transported out of the cell through the nuclear pores to the cytoplasm where they can do their jobs. So now we'll discuss about the organelles of cytoplasm. They are mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, lysosome and Golgi bodies. Here in this picture you can see different organelles present in the cytoplasm. Now let us discuss the first organelle, that is mitochondria. The mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell, or sometimes it is called as a power station of the cell. It provides energy to many parts of the cell. In mitochondria, cellular respiration takes place. For example, when glucose reacts with oxygen by ATP, it gives energy plus carbon dioxide. So our second organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum plays an important role in the synthesis of lipids, glycogen and proteins. Its main function is to transport carbohydrates and proteins to another organelle. Endoplasmic reticulum is divided into two parts. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum, another is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum contain ribosome, whereas smooth endoplasmic reticulum do not contain ribosome, where there is no ribosome present as well as no protein is also present. So our third organelle is ribosomes. Ribosomes are floating organelles in the cytoplasm. It make proteins for the cell, example growth, repair of the cell. So our next organelle is lysosomes. Lysosome is the digestive part of the cell. It contains digestive enzymes. Here food is broken down. For example, carbohydrate is converted to glucose and protein is converted to amino acids. So our last organelle is Golgi bodies. Golgi body is the port of the cell. It is discovered by scientist Golgi. The main processes in the cell is the things are collected, packed and exported. The protein formed by the ribosomes and packed by the rough endoplasmic reticulum is transported by the vesicles to the Golgi bodies and also known as Golgi apparatus. The Golgi body receives proteins from rough endoplasmic reticulum. It modifies proteins by giving them proper shape. For example, it modifies proteins when mixed with lipid carbs. It gives the change of the shape of the proteins. Golgi body will pick the proteins and vesicles transport or deliver to the target destinations within or outside the cell. Example, Golgi body will send proteins to the damaged part of the cell for repairing with the help of the vesicles. Thank you for watching. That's all for today.